So this is an intro to a video. So I'm like half asleep. But yeah, basically this is an intro to one of the races. It was Heat 13 at the FPVR Aussie Open. Probably one of the craziest heats I've ever had in a race. Pretty much I crashed out, and I mean, you'll see what happens next anyway. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video, and the rest of the FPVR clips will be coming out soon.
So this is the quarterfinal round of the winner's bracket. Top two in this one will move to race number 21, which will be at the midway point. Top two in that will go to race number 26. They are 3 jumps away from going into the final 4. In the final 4, we race head-to-head for our championship.
So just in pairs, yeah?
Yeah. Just in pairs.
Mano y mano.
Here we go. Winner's bracket, guys. Winner's bracket. Let's bring up the DVR screen. We'll introduce them to you. Bottom right is Mooney. Bottom left, Steve K. Top right is Astro. Top left is BMS Thomas. Good luck, pilots. Goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Full shot going to go to BMS Thomas, but everyone through that gate within separation of 0.4 of a second. It's not one on lap number 1, but like the whole shot. BMS Thomas with some issues, dropping to 3rd in traffic in our hurdles section.
Yes, he's going to make this time up, I think. We'll see.
I don't know, he's coming 3rd towards that dive gate.
Oh no, he's had another impact. He's upside down now.
On his lid, last year's champion. See if he can turtle mode out of it.
He's done it. He's done it.
It looks good. Now he's going to be coming back angry. Back of the pack by a bunch. Mooney, your leader after 1. Then it was Astro. Then Steve K. On to lap 2. And there goes BMS Thomas. He's back in, but he is 10 seconds back with 3 laps to go. The story right now, still Mooney, your leader. It's with a dive gate. Right with him is Steve K. And now Mooney a little loose. Here comes Steve K. up the hill leading the charge. Right behind him is Astro in 2nd, Mooney 3rd, and BMS Thomas, remember he was 10 seconds back, now he's 6 seconds back off of the lead and well within reach of our field. Steve K with some issues now.
First place is being traded all over the place like an old baseball card. Yeah. Oh no, Steve's in a spin of death, he's upright, he's upside down, it's uncertain there.
Now it is BMS Thomas, your leader up the hill, Mooney giving chase in 2nd, and we will put Astro in 3rd. On to that final lap. Remember, this is a winner's bracket, so everyone with a chance, whether they're 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or 4th, to advance with BMS Thomas.
Oh, Thomas just passed someone there.
That's lap traffic. That's him getting by Steve K. Thomas led from lap 3, and here's lap 4. He's going to meet the checkered flag at the top of the hill. Steve K is going to be pretty close to him, though. BMS Thomas, 4 laps in 1:40. Steve K finishes 1 lap back in 4th. We're going to round things out. Mooney grabbing 2nd, Astro grabbing 3rd. And an epic come behind for a reigning Aussie Open champion, BMS Thomas right there. Made a 10-second gap up and finished. Not only did he make that 10-second gap up, he beat the rest of the field by 7 seconds. So he found 17 seconds out there. Nice racing right there. Heat number 13 is in the books.
Yeah. 3 laps.
Replay is on right now, guys. Replay
5.5 seconds per lap stolen back on average.
I did lots of whoopsies and just got progressively worse, but then I somehow managed to pull it together, so lucky me.
That was a crazy comeback.
I'll take it. My poor quad's a little bit damaged, so we'll have to let it cool down, but well, he did it.
You might as well have taken a beating with that heat, eh?
Yeah.